Productions.
Stop the music, stop the music. Let me show y'all something. So this is the muffler, and this is the pipe leading from the muffler up towards the resonator extension pipe. But this well-rusted flange isn't even connected to the extension pipe, which means the muffler on the car is about as useless as tits on a bull. And I don't know how well y'all can see that resonator, but it's not exactly a sight for sore eyes neither. Which is why I'll be replacing the entire exhaust system from the catalytic converter on back. And if you're interested in knowing how to replace your worn out catalytic converter, I made a video on that as well. Just click on the link in the description below. Now before I set up shop and replace the exhaust system on this Nissan Maxima, I want you to experience what a major exhaust leak sounds like. Let's get it!
15 so bad I but truly never in class that I truly missed it. Never smoked over feet based the coke, but a non-smoker locus like a euphemism. I hung with a Jew by the name of Bob who could say Judaism is the true religion. That's when I would say that's a duly vision, grace and salvation we truly missing. Today I'm in my lab, baby, creating songs, and long gone are the days I would get picked on like a scab, baby. How to large up my crack, I got 10 bras from Texas. My leg muscles I'm stretching, cause tonight I'm bound to hit something. Like I'm driving and texting. Ex-boyfriend got beef for me. He said that he want his chick back, so I put him to sleep and I stole it, boy. And that's what you call a kidnap. But oh boy, lucky if you ask me. Cause back then I would've did that and made Don't be fooled by biceps. I'm dead heads, I ain't flexing. No witnesses, no protection, so talk at your discretion. She choose to be loose off Red Bull and G Goose. I can't focus, she ain't cool. She come taste the drink that he brews. I was west side, that left side, bandana tied.
Okay, so first we'll remove the muffler from its rubber hangers. There's 3 hangers in total, 1 on the driver's side and 2 on the passenger side. Right there, and where's the other one at? Right there. They just slide right off. Next, as you struggle to remove the muffler from its hangers, your uncle will literally materialize out of thin air, see the shiny new exhaust system laying next to you, and say something to the effect of,
"Oh, you can put all that shit on right?"
Then he'll try to tell you how to do your own job. But after explaining how factory exhaust systems are designed to restrict noise and pollution, which is why they are small and pipey diameter with other obstructions like resonators and catalytic converters, he'll get up and respond,
"You're a mechanic, huh, Ranger?"
After the unruly interruption, continue struggling with your muffler. Then struggle some more. Next, think about things you'd rather be doing right now to help you feel better. In a situation like this, a good reciprocating saw comes in handy, but it's useless if the battery is dying. Next, you want to spray your favorite rust penetrant on the exhaust hanger while using a large pry bar for leverage. After you're done being diplomatic about the situation, try kicking your muffler into submission while simultaneously beating it with a pry bar. After a 45-minute battle of tug of war, the muffler is finally free. Just pull it out and set it aside. Next, remove the 2 12mm bolts holding the small crossmember in place located just below the resonator and extension pipe. Then remove the 8 12mm bolts holding the bigger crossmember in place located in between the resonator and catalytic converter. So here's the rear catalytic converter, and this is the flange coming from the resonator. You'll need a 14mm deep well socket to remove those nuts, but there's no room for me to swing my wrench in here due to the bulky resonator, so I used what little bit of power my saw had left to make this cut. After removing the rubber hanger from the hook attached to the chassis, the entire resonator and E-pipe can now be removed from under the car. Don't forget to remove the rubber hanger with the 12mm socket from the old pipe and bolt it up to the new one. Since hardware wasn't provided with the new exhaust system, I made a trip to the local parts store for a 2-inch band clamp. Installation is reverse or remove, but you want to put everything together loosely before you tighten anything down. That way you can make necessary changes and work from the catalytic converter on back. The muffler was the first thing we took off, so it's going to be the last thing we put back on. The muffler has to align with its 3 exhaust hangers, but don't worry, putting it back on is easier than it was to take it off. Make sure the rear pipe is fit in between the control arm and the chassis to meet the E-pipe flange. Then begin tightening everything down. You'll need a 14mm socket and wrench to tighten down this band clamp. And follow me on down here where the extension pipe meets the flange leading to your muffler. Right there, I'll be using a 14mm deep well socket with a 5-inch extension. Now that we have her put back in place and all buttoned up, let's take a look at how she sounds. Oh yeah, that's nice.